Hello everyone. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find and share your Discord profile link directly from your mobile phone. Whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone, this is super useful if you want to invite someone to add you as a friend, or if you're including your Discord ID in a bio, social media profile, or even in a group chat. Let's go through the full process in detail so you won't miss a single step. Start by unlocking your phone and launching the Discord app. Make sure you are logged in to the account that you want to share. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, you can get it for free from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store by searching for Discord. Once you're inside the app, first, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then click Setting at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Advanced. Developer mode must be on for you to see user ID. After the developer mode, enable Open a chat room, either with a friend or on a server. Then select one of the messages you've sent. Then click your profile icon. This will display your full Discord profile. Then click the three dots icon on top of screen. Then click Copy User ID. After that, open Notes on your phone. Then type https://discordapp.com/users/ then paste your user ID here. The full profile link becomes Copy Your Profile Link. You can now copy or share this link with anyone. That's it. I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.